Welcome to this Toolbox talk on pedestrian safety. Every year, approximately 70 people are killed in transportation accidents at workplace, and more than 1,000 people are seriously injured. The most common vehicle accidents in the workplaces are people being hit by vehicles, people falling from vehicles, objects falling from vehicles. In this Toolbox talk, we will discuss about safety measures to be considered by pedestrians. Always follow traffic routes and obey all signals and signs. Pedestrians are to remain on designated routes unless there is a specific need to exit those routes. Where appropriate, the routes are to be protected by physical barriers. No pedestrian or vehicle is to enter an area where mobile plant operates without firstly gaining the operator's attention and obtaining his or her permission to enter the area. Never walk close or behind any mobile plant or vehicle which might possibly move off in reverse. Always watch for and avoid reversing lorries. Never walk across an area where pedestrians are not allowed. If you need to speak to or contact a vehicle drive, never assume he or she is aware of your presence. Make sure the driver has seen you and stop the vehicle before you approach. The pedestrian should always stay alert at some points. Always watch where you are going. Watch out for moving equipment. Watch for slipping and tripping hazards. Stay out of restricted areas. Use handrails on stairs. With this, we end the Toolbox talk on pedestrian safety. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.